Exploring the best of Belgium, travel tips, nature, culture, and lifestyle. Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and fascinating world of Belgium. From its stunning natural landscapes to its rich culture and traditions, this small European country has so much to offer. So, grab your passport, and let's explore the best of Belgium together. Our journey begins with Belgium's breathtaking nature. Despite its size, Belgium boasts a diverse range of landscapes, from rolling hills and picturesque valleys to dense forests and stunning coastlines. Whether you're a hiker, a nature lover, or simply looking for a peaceful escape, Belgium's natural beauty will leave you in awe. Now, let's delve into the enchanting city of Brussels, Belgium's vibrant capital. Here, you'll find a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern cosmopolitan vibes. Take a stroll through the streets of the historic center, marvel at the stunning architecture, and indulge in the famous Belgian waffles and chocolates. Don't forget to visit the iconic Atomium and explore the European Quarter, home to the European Union institutions. Belgium's culture and traditions are deeply rooted in its history and are celebrated throughout the year. From colorful carnivals to traditional folklore festivals, something exciting always happens in Belgium. Make sure to witness the incredible UNESCO-listed processions of the Holy Blood in Bruges or immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the Carnival of Binche, where locals don elaborate costumes and participate in a unique parade. When it comes to lifestyle, Belgium has its own distinctive charm. The Belgian lifestyle is all about savoring the good things in life. Take your time to enjoy a cup of rich Belgian coffee in one of the cozy cafes, indulge in delicious Belgian cuisine, and don't forget to sample the world-famous Belgian beers. Make sure to visit the lively outdoor markets, where you can immerse yourself in the local lifestyle and pick up some unique souvenirs. Lastly, Belgium has a deep appreciation for the arts. With its impressive museums, galleries, and architectural marvels, it's a paradise for art enthusiasts. Visit the Royal Museums of Fine Arts in Brussels, home to masterpieces by renowned artists like Bruegel, Rubens, and Magritte. Take advantage of the artistic charm of Ghent and Antwerp, where you can admire stunning medieval and contemporary art. And that wraps up our journey through Belgium. From its breathtaking nature to its rich culture and lifestyle, this country has something for everyone. So, whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or a foodie, Belgium is waiting to captivate you. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy travels! If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to my channel, The Untold Effusion.